Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a task KPI dashboard on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize your dashboard so it highlights the task metrics that matter most to your team, all in one clear view. A well-structured dashboard not only saves time, but also ensures your team stays focused on what drives results. So following these steps carefully will help you get the most actionable insights. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account. Make sure you're in the correct location or workspace, and that you have permission to edit dashboards. From the left-hand sidebar, open the dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll visualize performance at a glance. Think of it as the central hub where all task-related activity comes together. If you manage multiple pipelines or teams, double-check the selected location and date range so the data you'll see later reflects the right scope. This is especially important if you want to compare performance across different projects or monitor team-specific KPIs. Now switch into editing mode by choosing Edit Dashboard. This unlocks the Builder tools and lets you fine-tune layout and content without affecting live data. Editing mode is your safe space to experiment with placements, sizing, and configurations before the team sees anything. If you don't see the option, confirm your access level or try expanding the sidebar so all options are visible. Sometimes the menu collapses, hiding features that are critical for customizing your dashboard. Next, open widgets. Think of widgets as the building blocks of your dashboard. Each widget surfaces a specific data point or chart for task KPIs. These can represent counts, trends, or comparisons tied to task activity. For example, you might want one widget showing tasks completed this week and another tracking overdue items. As you explore, picture where each widget should live on the canvas to keep the most important insights near the top, so your team immediately sees what needs attention without scrolling. Then, open Elements. Elements help you structure and label your dashboard so it's easy to understand at a glance. Titles, separators, and descriptions provide context for the widgets. For example, a title like Weekly Task Trend with a small description underneath can clarify what the numbers represent. You'll use clear labels like Task Performance or Weekly Task Trend. This makes it effortless for anyone on your team to know what they're looking at and reduces the time spent asking questions or interpreting raw data. Move on to themes. Themes control the visual style across your dashboard, including colors, fonts, and contrast. Choose a look that keeps numbers readable and consistent. High contrast is helpful for dense KPI layouts, while softer tones can make trend lines easier to interpret visually. A unified theme ensures every widget feels part of the same story, creating a cohesive, professional look that makes insights immediately clear to anyone reviewing the dashboard. Open Custom Metrics next. This is where you'll configure the KPIs that reflect how your team works. Common task-focused metrics include tasks created, completed, overdue, and completion rate. You can also set up metrics like average task duration or percentage of tasks completed on time if that aligns with your team's goals. Use labels that are crystal clear, align them to your team's definitions, and confirm each metric pulls from the correct data source and time frame so your numbers stay trustworthy. This ensures accuracy and prevents confusion when comparing performance week over week or month over month. Finally, select Save Changes. This publishes your layout and settings. Give the dashboard a quick refresh to confirm everything looks right. If something seems off, review filters, date ranges, and metric definitions, then return to Edit Dashboard to refine. It's always a good practice to check how the dashboard looks on different devices if your team accesses it from laptops, tablets, or even phones. That's it. With these steps, your task KPI dashboard in GoHighLevel is set up to deliver clear, actionable insights every day. A well-designed dashboard not only keeps your team aligned, but also empowers decision-making based on real-time data, helping everyone stay focused on what really matters.